Yeah, it should not be running against the glass. You need to do something about that, but I don't know what it is. Just came outside to check on cat food, and look what's by our door. Very cool. Don't get to see these very often. There's, oh, camouflage when they're on a plant. Oh, it's a red velvet ant. Gotta watch out. They bite or sting, and it really hurts. They're called cow killers because they hurt so bad. And right here is the problem. You know, it rains infrequently here in New Mexico, and so cleaning gutters out is not something I normally think about as I did in North Carolina, but here's the problem, so I'm gonna fix it. Well, there's some of the goopiness, and it seems to be working okay now. And I figured as long as I was up there, I ought to check the gutters on the other side of the house, so pulled and cleaned those as well. It had been a really fierce storm. We almost got 2 inches. It was just 2/10 shy of 2 inches of rain, so that really was a fast storm, and well, ready for the next one whenever it comes.